Hello, welcome to the online demo of Nephila, the knowledge management tool. Nephila works under the premise of capturing tacit knowledge within the minds of individuals or employees of the organization and converting that into explicit knowledge. This it does by bringing in performance as a part of your daily work and relates it to conversations which you have with your teammates and other employees of the organization, captures the learning through the discussions and interactions that people have, and subsequently being able to institutionalize the learning into at an organization level. Thus, the whole premise of Nephila works on the triumvirate of performance, people, and knowledge. It has a basic entry screen wherein users can enter their user ID and password, and it's completely rights managed. As you log in, users are provided with a dashboard of their daily performance. The dashboard offers them a spring graph with their metrics, performance metrics, clearly shown through a stoplight mechanism of red, green, and amber. Red says that you are under trouble. Amber says there is a likely action required and it helps you take a preventive measure. And green says you are doing fine and hence there could be an opportunity there. There are alerts which are also sent system generated, which will enable you to go ahead and look at further causal work. You are also shown a trend line of various metrics over the past 12 months. You are also shown a list of action items that you need to perform and a list of action items that you have assigned to people which are yet to be done. Nephila also provides with a trend line that showcases what we call an after action report. It also has a lessons learned improvement plan. On mousing over any metric, you are in a position to understand the status of that particular metric, including various data points. In order to be able to understand more, you can double click on any metric and it takes you into an insight map which showcases all the metrics and processes that a person is related to. The blue boxes are the processes that I am logged into, and each process is measured by a set of metrics which is again shown by red, green, and amber. The thick lines indicate that there are various other metrics in processes beyond your control or beyond your purview on a day-to-day basis that impact you, and it also wants you to take decisions after being able to look into those metrics. Whenever you mouse click on any particular metric, there is a wall which appears on the right. The wall has up to 10 data points corresponding to that particular metric which is under consideration. You are also in a position to go ahead and have an explore section wherein you can store many documents, PDFs, audio files, video files, reports, whatever you want to as documentation there. You are in a position to start a conversation with your team members at any point in time by clicking in the conversation icon. You are in a position to go ahead and make some notes for yourself. Seems to have come down. publish the note to yourself or to your groups or to your team members, depending on who should be able to read that note. You can also be in a position to assign an action. Now, assign a due date by when you would want that particular report to be generated. You can assign that task to individuals and be able to publish that report. As soon as you assign a task, as you can see, a red icon appears and the person who has been assigned to has also been indicated. As soon as the task is complete, this particular icon could change into green for you to enable taking a decision. Before you take a decision, you are also in a position to drill down further and find out the root causes for it. For example, if the lapse ratio is high, which is what is indicated by red, then you find that retirement plan which should have been low is in red. You can drill down further. As you can see, each time I drill down to the next level, the wall changes and gives me data points corresponding to that particular level. I drill down further and find out my agent business is the one which is doing poorly. In south, the agent business is supposed to be good. I can drill down further and find out what could be the root cause there. I can also go down further at territory level and be able to see if there is any particular division which is causing the problem. Like I mentioned earlier, Paris division and T Nagar division are doing reasonably well, while as Anna Nagar and Adyar are not doing. So I can be able to start a conversation at this level and ask for 50 demographics of Paris and Anna Nagar. Similar. Could that be so as you assign an action, it goes in, you can be able to enable a conversation between Paris employees of Paris and branch manager of Paris and Anna Nagar and be able to bring them together to share their learnings in order to make Anna Nagar also green. So thus, using performance measures as the trigger, we are enabling conversations between individuals, being able to take the learnings of one region, one product, one zone, and being able to take that and replicate that success into another region, another product, and another zone. Thus, if we are in a position to go ahead and repeat this success, the system automatically, as I mentioned in the past, it identifies and alerts the changes that are being brought about because of this learning. So here we saw a learning from one region which has been captured. This is all templatized, and a repetitive success of this particular step that has been improvement plan that has been taken has brought about, and it has now been institutionalized within the organization. Thus, what was a drop in performance through a lapse ratio, a action plan which was put up by one particular region or one particular branch has been adopted by multiple people, and we saw an improvement there. And over a period of time, as the improvement started happening regularly, we could put in and convert that learning into an organizational learning or knowledge. Thus, as I said, Nephila uses performance on a daily basis in order to be able to tap into insights of individuals, brings in their collective experience, and converts that into organization knowledge. All of this are trapped through a simple search mechanism which is faceted, like I had shown you. You can be, it is auto tagged. You are also in a position to use your own tags, and all the results are published in a faceted manner. So you are in a position to understand who else in the organization, which other department, which other individual has had a similar conversation, be able to pick up the learnings from those individuals and those departments, and subsequently be able to learn from their experience and duplicate and replicate those learnings into your region also. Thus, Nephila functions with a basic and simple premise that relates the performance to people conversations. Those conversations yield learnings. Those learnings, when repeatedly are successful, get institutionalized, and thus your performance improves again. Thank you.